So if you're looking for some help to do this, as a special offer I have below, and I invite you to take advantage of that because it's not going to be available. What I will do is actually get together with you. We'll sit down for a workshop. Now I usually charge about $599 for this, but I'm offering it to you guys who have this ebook. I'm offering this workshop session for you for $99. And you will walk away with having the clarity around what this means for your business, what it looks like, where are the potential micro markets in your business, what does this mountain look like, what are the base camps you already have, and how do they all fit in together. It might actually help you to increase your conversions on your current base camps, whether it's an ebook, a webinar, whatever you happen to be doing, and it will help you just to align everything so it feels good, so it feels like it's going to deliver results. And that's going to be the best way to start. This is just one of many things that are going to help you to really refine your offering, refine that conversion funnel, and really help to bring people up this mountain, get them through the relevant base camps and get them to that ultimate success. And then of course, what you want to do from there is make sure you are making sure they're successful and you are recording those success stories and reporting them back and weaving that into this mountain so that other people can hear the success stories. So I invite you to take advantage of that offer. All you need to do is click the link below, and I look forward to speaking to you very, very soon.